Hi, I'm Philip Maxwell, and in this video we'll be discussing the fifth harmonic. The fifth harmonic comes from a very childlike place, which is why I like to start with the image of kids playing tag. There's something very basic about it. The game can be more sophisticated, and the fifth harmonic will pick it up quickly, but the fifth plays these games because it wants something fun, fresh, and interesting, not because it is or isn't sophisticated. The image of kids playing with Legos shows another dimension to the fifth. There is still play to it, but now there's also the element of creativity. Now, if you look at this image, you'll see that it is a complete mess. This is not an accident. The fifth often creates out of chaos. Kids love this kind of activity, and it shows the imagination that they can put into their creativity. It also shows possibility. Pieces won't necessarily be used as intended, because what the fifth creates is often outside of the box. Now, what does this mean for adults with a strong fifth? Well, they often have a cluttered workspace. This messiness doesn't even get in the way. In fact, it often helps them. And this leads oftentimes to novel solutions and approaches. Fifth harmonic people are generally very bright and have an easy time learning up through high school. They recognize patterns that emerge from chaos as much as they create from it. And so it's this grasp of pattern recognition that allows them to learn so easily. Plus, it allows them to make unusual connections between ideas. But when the subject matter gets dense, requiring in-depth study, then it gets boring for them, and so it becomes difficult. Thus, they don't usually do well with college, and in fact may not even finish. Now, there are other factors that can change that, but that will be discussed in a future video. A fifth harmonic person could have one of the more obvious creative professions like writer, painter, musician, but it's not limited to that. They have a capacity for creative problem solving, which could be used in all kinds of applications in the real world. They just need the latitude to exercise this talent. Thus, micromanagement could kill that kind of possibilities. Now, the fifth harmonic can do repetitive work, but it is trickier to be satisfied in it because they always have to find ways to use their imagination to keep it fun and fresh. So think of mowing the lawn. Doing straight methodical rows, and that's all you're focusing on, becomes boring. But maybe if you imagine the lawnmower as a race car, now that makes it fun. So again, if work is a fun game, then the fifth is satisfied. Many of the positive attributes of the fifth harmonic are really double-edged. Being childlike can add some light, but not taking a situation seriously when it's more appropriate can also upset other people that are around them. Having a disorganized approach might yield novel solutions, but if that disorganization is taken too far, now it can be an impediment to the progress of a group project. And even the quick creative mind has a difficulty with situations requiring deeper or more methodical thinking. Finally, as an example of the fifth harmonic, I'd like to say a few brief things about Jim Carrey. These are all of the fifth harmonic aspects in his chart. He has two powerful four-planet patterns, one involving the Sun and another the moon. Given that he's a highly creative comedic actor who has an intuitive knack for dancing, playing the piano, and is also a prolific painter, I would consider this a very good fit. That finishes it for the fifth harmonic. Stay tuned for my next video on the sixth harmonic, a hybrid of 2 and 3. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And remember the notification bell so you can be alerted when new stuff hits. If you have any questions or comments, I'm more than happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.